The NIMHANS parent training videos were developed as a PhD thesis in the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. The team involved PhD scholar Megha Rupa, that's me, from the Department of Clinical Psychology, Dr. Uma Hiri Save, professor at the Department of Clinical Psychology, and Dr. Jayashree Ramakrishna, professor and head at the Department of Mental Health Education at NIMHANS. The NIMHANS parent training videos have been developed on parents with children aged between 3 and 8 years who currently reported some stress in handling some of the difficult behaviors of their children. However, these videos can be viewed by any parent or any professional who is interested to know a little more about how to parent more effectively. The videos are applicable to both boys and girls, and they're not specific to the gender of the child who has acted in a particular video. We recommend that these videos be viewed by parents in the presence of a mental health professional so that certain suggestions can be given to the parents which are unique to their situation. If you're feeling burdened by parenting, remember you're not the only one. Feel free to talk about it. For additional information about parenting techniques, please read the handbook that has been provided along with the videos. Remember, parenting works best when there's mutual respect between parents and children. The techniques suggested in the videos may not bring about immediate changes in the difficult behaviors of the children. Some parents may also find the techniques quite difficult to implement initially. However, consistent and repeated efforts are beneficial. The techniques depicted in the videos are not the only ways to handle difficult behaviors. These videos are aimed to make the experience of parenting smooth and not at making you or your child perfect.